walked in my direction, so confident but unassumingly. And thinking about the night you took my hand for the first time. It took a minute to admit it, but it turns out that you were all I needed. Yeah, the calm I crave, the sunshine when I hate to drive in the rain. Oh, I must have done something right to have you in my life.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. And today's video is another vlog that I'm filming. I just did my morning routine and I was working. So this whole week, the Christmas week, I am working from home and I'm going to make use of that time and actually film YouTube videos. So you guys know I never do like anything like vlogmas. I always like doing the week after vlogmas, like the week from Christmas to New Year's is when I like to film content, is when I like to add as much content as I can. So I'm going to be filming and uploading every day this whole week, and we're just going to reset our life. The last video you saw was when I was setting up my Christmas tree. It was actually a few weeks back when we did the Christmas tree, and today I'm actually going to do a little bit of resetting my living room. And we bought a new TV, so I'm going to set up everything like the TV console and all those things. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do. Every year during December, we are traveling to India. Like earlier, it was my wedding, my engagement. So this year is like the first time in a long, long time when we are actually staying all by ourselves, not traveling anywhere, not don't have any plans as of now. Anav's brother might be visiting us from Canada, but that is the only plan we have. So I do feel like using this time to, get my life together, get ready for 2026, and like achieving, setting up my goals and making my vision boards. I'm going to take you guys along with the whole thing. Also, I know I've not been online or at all in 2025, and there wasn't any reason why. I just did not feel like being on the social media platform, any of my social media platform. I just did not feel like sharing anything. Everything felt like very superficial, and I just didn't feel like sharing anything on social media. I was coming to content sharing and creation. I do miss YouTube a lot. I miss filming videos. I miss like having the sense of community that I was building slowly. And every year I tell myself that I'm going to be more regular with my YouTube. And every year I fail. This is like one thing in my life where either I'm not serious enough or something happens, and I just cannot compete with everything. And like there's this imposter syndrome that comes to place where you feel like you're not good enough, where you feel like people are judging you, you are judging yourself and all those things, right? And this is very normal right now, like with content creation and everyone sharing their life on social media. It's very normal to feel that way. And even now today when I woke up very early today. I woke up at 6 because I still have to work. So I was working for half of the day, and then I thought for the rest of the day I'm going to film videos and edit videos and work on that. And then in the evening I'm going to start working again on my job. Even today when I woke up at 6, I thought of just let it be. I don't want to film, it's boring, nobody watches. Why should I put in so much effort in making videos? And then I just had that feeling that I'm just not good enough and maybe I should just give it up. And then I talked myself out of that mindset. And last night, when I was making a video plan, like what I'm going to film, how I'm going to manage my time and everything, I literally thought, literally wrote in my planner that no matter what, you're not going to talk yourself out of filming. And honestly, this is very normal. It's just the whole process of filming anything in life. Like, you go through these emotions where you feel like whatever you're doing is stupid and it's not worth it, you're not worth it. But I think I do that sometimes too, and I do that always in whenever I'm filming videos, because I've been doing this for so long, and I just know this is my process. But this time I'm going to force myself and talk myself out of all those negative thoughts, negative emotions, that I'm not good enough, and I'm just going to keep pushing anything of that sort. Just do it. Just do it for like 6 months to a year without thinking anything, and then see what happens. So I think that is what I'm trying to do and trying to explain it to you. So if you have something that you've been thinking of committing to a long, long time, like going to the gym, for example. I have always been scared of going to the gym earlier, but this year I decided that no matter what, no matter if I don't see any results, I don't lose any weight, I don't make a progress, I'm still going to do my workouts. I'm going to go to my workout class 3 times a week or 2 times a week. And I've been doing it consistently for almost the whole year. I feel so much better. I feel so much stronger, even though I've not lost any weight. As you can see, I've, as a matter of fact, I've gained weight. But that's okay. That's not what my goal was. I just wanted to be regular in my workouts, and I know someday down the lane I'm going to see a result, but maybe it's just not that instant for everyone. So that's the whole point of the video that I'm trying to explain while I do my hair is just commit to the time that you want to do something without thinking about the results, without thinking about things that are not in your control. You never know when something clicks to someone. So yeah, that is what I was trying to say there, that I am not going to talk myself down. I'm just going to say you've committed to it, you've made a plan, and no matter how stupid it feels like now, no matter you think nobody's gonna watch the video, just do it. I think I've said too much. I'm just gonna shut up and do my hair, and then I'll talk to you guys after I'm done crimping my hair.
Why we're meant to be together. Reading me your vows every single day. I used to dread the mornings, but with you I'd rather.
So let me show you what we are dealing with in terms of organizing the living area. I have my Christmas tree here. Earlier my plan was to move the Christmas tree over to that corner, so that, you know, right now I feel like it looks a little bit weird, like this huge thing in the middle. But Christmas is almost over, so I don't feel like doing anything on this section. I think it's okay, I can make it work. And then I have this corner which has our little beverage fridge, so we have like Coke and everything, soda in here. And then this is a snacks corner that me and Pranav love. We are always hovering around this corner. We have pistachios, cereal, chips, and my hot chocolate. And then this is sort of like our dining table, but we don't really sit here ever to eat our food. It's just a hoarding ground for random things. I have this biscotti, madeleines, papaya, very, very random stuff, some chocolates, protein bar and everything. So this all needs to be rearranged so that it all can fit on that corner, and that is going to be like my snacks corner. And then moving on, I have this table. This is actually something I thrifted. I don't love it now, it gets the job done for now. And then I have some more ornaments under there that I haven't put on the tree. This is actually very interesting. This is a key stand that my mom got it for me, and I really want to keep that over there. So Pranav needs to hang it over there, and then I need to do something on this table, probably pictures. And these are our plants. This is our avocado plant, the experiment that is going on, and then these two are the plants that some friends got for us. And then these are the two cupboards that we are dealing with. So this is actually the first cupboard that we have. So as you can see, I am going to put all of my books here. This is going to be a bookshelf primarily, and then also some decor pieces on the first two shelves, and then books on the last two. And then here I am going to put like some of my, I already have my grocery bags here. I'll put like some other random things that we don't really use every day as storage. And then under the TV, I don't know yet, this is going to be a shoe cabinet. We don't really have space to keep shoe rack. It would have been perfect if we had a shelf, but we might be able to make it work somehow. So these two are going to be our everyday shoes, and then this here I'm thinking of keeping some other knickknacks. This is some other things that I have for decor purposes, and then these are my books. So I think once this is done, the living room would be complete. The only thing left would be hanging some pieces. We don't have anything on the walls, so I really want to have some pictures of us, our family, or something, a gallery wall up here, maybe on this side or on that side. Having some pictures up here would make it look so much more homey. So yeah, that is what the plan is. So let the b-roll begin for cleaning and organizing the living room.
Golden sky lights the way, end of another day. Shadows grow as we play, here where love will stay. Whispers in twilight's glow, memories start to flow. Holding hands as we glow under stars, gentle and sure. Sunset dreams in your eyes. Every fear now flies. We rise into the night skies. Soft breeze on your face. Time seems to lose its pace. Find solace in this space. Together we embrace. Moments drift like the sand, here in this perfect land. Your touch, your heart, your hand, together we make our stand. Sunset dreams in your eyes. Every fear now flies. We rise into the night skies.
Hey guys, so this was all of my reset, and then after doing everything I had a little ounce of energy and motivation left to tackle the bathroom shelves, which I'm so glad I did it. And as you can see, I'm in my gym clothes now, so I'm gonna go hit the gym. I still have some editing left to do. I still have to do a bunch of other housework, have to cook and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.